Hello everybody, welcome back, and today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and remove quiet mode on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply step into our video. For that matter, let's go ahead and open our Instagram app right there on mobile phone. Once the Instagram app is open, what we want to do is, so basically this quiet mode is a new feature provided by Instagram itself. Afterwards, if you tap on this profile icon below right corner and tap on this two horizontal line and go to this option called settings over here and go to this notification option, then you will find this quiet mode option which is given over here, right? So if you would like to remove it, so this is just like other notifications given, you simply don't have like, you will tap on it, press and hold, and then you will have delete option or remove option. You do not have that. You can simply turn this off or turn this on. If you turn this on, you can see this turn on automatically. You can see the timestamp. You can go ahead, edit them, your timestamp within those hours. You won't get any notifications, any messages. Literally a quiet mode area there in Instagram. And if you don't want that to be there, you can simply turn this off. You can simply turn this off and you're good to go. It won't bother you. But this is simply a function given by Instagram itself for the users, for better experience. So it's gonna be there. You cannot remove it, but you can control it. So this is basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.